Hey y'all, it's Desi. I just wanted to say hey and check in real quick. We're getting dressed. I just picked up my kids. We're taking them to see the Mario movie. Don't say nothing, right? So they have no idea that they're going. I just picked them up. I promised them and they asked, but I don't think they remember. So stay tuned. We're gonna see how the reaction is. I'm gonna tell them when we get in the car. Hopefully they don't see where we're going. Is it on video? Yeah, it's on video.
Hi.
So, you guys, where are we going? Where do you want to go? Yeah, we can go get some food. What do you want to eat? Hey, you guys, we're going to see the Mario movie.
Huh?
Yeah, we are. Are you surprised?
Yes.
Brooklyn!
Surprised us 2 times when we went to go see the trolls.
I have to call Granny now. I told Granny that I would tell you in the car. She was like, I want to see their face. Right. Okay, let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'm telling you, nothing can harm us.
What do you think of the movie?
I like
You liked it? What was your favorite part?
the part when Bowser was singing.
What about you?
Same.
Peach. Peachy, 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 peachy.